and today I'm going to be showing you how to take a container that you already have for fall and just to be able to dress it up a little bit more and just kind of personalize it with a fall decor. What we're going to be using today are some accent branches and then also some accent fall leaves that have been preserved. To start out, what we're going to do is by using the branches. I do have these already kind of cut to size. Keep in mind that they'll normally come about twice the length, so you're going to want some nice pruners to be able to cut those down to size. It does make it a lot easier if you cut them first. Just saves you a couple of steps when you're in the process. Okay, so I'm going to start with these branches here. We do have a one-sided arrangement, so you want to do kind of a fan shape. Start with your taller in the back, shorter towards the front. Okay, so I'll start out with these three. This guy I think I'm going to tuck down here just in the front a little bit more. Don't feel bad about shoving these down in there through the root systems. It's not going to hurt your plants. So now that we've got these branches in, they're kind of in their spot for now. Can always adjust them later. I'm going to go through and put in my fall leaves. I feel like I've got a little bit of a gap on this side, so I'm going to start out by taking one of these bunches and just kind of putting them in that area to fill that hole. Maybe take another little grouping and just kind of put it right there, kind of fan it out a little bit. Next I'm going to take another group and I feel like I need a little bit of color right there, so I'm just going to take that branch and put them down there. And maybe one more grouping. We'll just put them right towards the front here, make them kind of face out. Now that I've got my leaves in there, I'm going to start with my orange branches. Again, you want to start with your taller branches towards the back, shorter towards the front. We'll start out by filling in some of these holes that we have. So I've got a nice spot there for that one. I am going to have to turn this just a little bit to see where I'm at. I think that guy can go right there. Need another taller one right in here. As you can see, I'm just kind of filling in. I'm looking where there's gaps and just filling in those holes. Alright, and I think we're almost done. Maybe just a couple of these smaller little ones towards the front. And I feel like we do have a little bit of a hole right here. So what we're going to do is actually take one of these taller branches, cut it down to size, and then put that guy in right there, maybe still a little tall. And there we go. I feel like that's going to help kind of create that fan shape that we were looking for. And I think that should just about do it. So thank you for watching the video on how to convert your already fall planter just to make it a little bit more personalized.